Hello everybody, welcome to Snake Eye Crypto channel. In my last video I have shown you that I have created my first NFT on the OpenSea platform, and this is my first NFT, and the name of this NFT is the Spring Princess, and the price is 0.11 Ethereum, which is around 255 US dollar. So I am putting the link of this NFT below. If you want to buy this, then you can buy it. Now this video I have made because there are so many platforms basically available on the NFT on the various kind of blockchains. So I want to tell you more about these platforms. So I have divided these platforms into two categories. One is platforms which are running on the Ethereum blockchain, and another is platforms which are running on the Binance blockchain. Now this OpenSea is they claim that this is the largest NFT marketplace, and I have created my first collection of the first NFT I have minted on the OpenSea, which is a Ethereum based platform. So this is a OpenSea.io platform. So if you are starting, then you can try this platform. You can connect this with MetaMask wallet. You will find how to connect your this with MetaMask wallet on internet. A tutorial you will find. Another is Rarible. So this Rarible collection is also Ethereum based NFT platform, and this also has a auction style of and also fixed style of NFT listings, and you can also connect this with MetaMask wallet. Now here if we go down and we see that Beeple this official collection of the NFTs. Beeple, if you don't know, then I can tell you that in March 2021 he sold his painting collage for around $69 million. He sold NFT for $69 million for one NFT at Christie's auction house. So this is that famous designer, or you can say digital artist. So you can see that he has posted various kind of this and this is 139,000 US dollar, these NFTs. So his NFTs are basically unique. He is basically a digital artist for Apple, Louis Vuitton and other great companies. So this is a Rarible platform. Now comes the Binance Smart Chain. So Binance Smart Chain is relatively new, and this smart chain is basically first time launched in 2020 September around, and this is exactly a competitor of Ethereum blockchain. So these two are, one is a Trezorland and another is a JGN. So these two are the marketplaces, NFT marketplaces on the Binance Smart Chain. So now what is the difference between these two marketplaces, two types of? First is the marketplaces on the Ethereum channel, and another two are the marketplaces on the Binance Smart Chain. So what is the difference? So main difference is fee to mint this NFT. So this NFT I have minted on OpenSea on Ethereum based platform, and I paid 60 US dollars, 60 to 65 US dollar gas fee to mint this NFT. Now if we compare this with Binance chain, then suppose see if we want to create, then let me show you. Let me go to Binance Smart Chain from the MetaMask, and let me show you how much this will cost to mint a new NFT on Binance Smart Chain. So suppose here I am going and putting my NFT, and suppose I put the price is 3, and I write down the Spring. Now if I click the create now, and then you can see that it asks for basically 0.001229. This much of BNB token I will need, and the price of one BNB token is right now 500 US dollar. So this is around 60 cents. Exactly, if I say, then this is just a 60 cent of fee to mint a NFT on the Binance Smart Chain. But if I want to mint the same NFT on this Ethereum Smart Chain that I already paid, then the problem is Ethereum blockchain problem is lot of gas fee. So $60. So here I can mint this NFT for only 60 cents, while here I can mint this for I had paid 60 US dollar. So I personally feel that in future, right now this Ethereum based marketplaces for NFTs are dominating in the place, but I feel that in future Binance Smart Chain based NFT platforms will be in more demand. This is what I personally feel. Just like Uniswap and PancakeSwap scenario, the PancakeSwap which is running on Binance Smart Chain has already crossed the daily volume of as of Uniswap. So this is what also I feel for the NFT marketplace. So anyway, so I suggest you to put your valuable suggestions and comment below in the comment section. Thank you.